है, आपको इश्यू नहीं उठाना है, आप संसद की कार्रवाई नहीं चलने देना चाहते हैं। ओके,
अर्थव्यवस्था से कोई मतलब नहीं, लेकिन मैं सामान्य सदस्य हूं, मैं देश की समस्याओं को उठाना चाहता हूं। इन्होंने
टू मीट अगेन ऑन मंडे 11 o'clock.
All right, the Lok Sabha has been adjourned till Monday 11 o'clock. Let's see what's happening in the Rajya Sabha now.
Sir, the following motion, I move that the time appointed for the presentation of the report of the Select Committee on the Real Estate Bill 2013 as introduced in the Rajya Sabha be extended up to 29 July 2015.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Statement regarding government business. Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से यह सूचित करता हूं कि सोमवार 27 जुलाई 2015 से प्रारंभ होने वाले सप्ताह के दौरान निम्नलिखित सरकारी कार्य लिए जाएंगे। लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए गए रूप में निम्नलिखित विधेयकों पर विचार और पारित करना। किशोर न्याय बालकों की देखरेख संरक्षण संशोधन विधेयक 2015, सूचना प्रदाता संरक्षण संशोधन विधेयक 2015, विनियोग अधिनियम निरसन विधेयक 2015, भ्रष्टाचार निवारण संशोधन विधेयक 2013 पर विचार और पारित करना। लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए जाने के पश्चात निम्नलिखित विधेयकों पर विचार करना है। प्राकारण लिखित संशोधन विधेयक 2015, निरसन और संशोधन चौथा विधेयक 2015। मैं
ओके
बताता हूँ।
ये लोकपाल कब लागू करें
सर,
ये भ्रष्टाचार खत्म नहीं करना
It
चाहिए।
is-
भ्रष्टाचार पालन
Mr. Naresh Agarwal,
पहले लोकपाल
Mr. Naresh Agarwal, it is only government's intention.
अगले सप्ताह जो सरकारी कार्य
It is
प्रस्तावित
only
किए गए,
government's intention.
जो अगले
We can decide when bill comes.
वीक में जो सरकारी काम होने हैं उसके बारे में हमने आपको जानकारी
श्री
दी है।
नरेश-
उसके बारे में जब नेक्स्ट
Okay, Naqvi ji, you sit down. Naqvi ji, you take your seat.
We are announcing only
Naqvi ji,
the business of the government
Naqvi ji,
for the next
अच्छा Naqvi ji, ठीक है। See,
we are only announcing the
Naqvi
business
ji,
of the
please.
government. for
That's
the next
okay.
week.
Naresh ji, it is only government's intention. When the bill comes, you can take your own position. No problem. We will decide. Even when the bill comes, we will decide. Let it come. Don't worry. Yes. Okay.
आप भी बात करिए, हम भी बात करें, चर्चा हम भी करें, चर्चा आप भी करिए। जो जनता के सरोकार और देश के विकास से जुड़े हुए सवाल हैं उस पे
मिस्टर नकवी,
बहुत शांति से
पूरा पढ़ा
हुआ था।
पूरा पढ़ा
पढ़ लिया पूरा
पढ़ लिया। ओके
सर, हम तो चाहते हैं हाउस चले, अश्विनी कुमार की शेरो शायरी सुने, बहुत दिन से नहीं सुनी है, काफी बोलते हैं वो।
अच्छा एग्री।
नोटिस दी थी 267
नो
और
व्हाट इज द पॉइंट।
सुनिए, भ्रष्टाचार में अकंठ डूबी राजस्थान की वसुंधरा राजे जी के बारे में एक भगोड़े की मदद करने के लिए इन्होंने प्रयास किया ललित मोदी को। अब ललित तो किसके कहने पर किया है? मैं बहुत स्पष्ट रूप से कहना चाहता हूँ, क्या सरकार ये बताएगी हमें कि उसने ये निर्णय ले लिया है कि सुषमा स्वराज जी का
किस मोशन क्या है?
वसुंधरा जी
इनका क्या मोशन है
और तमाम लोगों ने इस्तीफा दिया कि नहीं दिया? मनवर, उस इस्तीफे के बारे में
नो प्लीज,
इस्तीफे के बारे में हम चाहते हैं।
यस शरद यादव।
अध्यक्ष जी, मेरा निवेदन है कि विश्व के इतिहास में आपको रूलिंग पार्टी जो ऑलमाइटी है धरती पर, ये रूलिंग पार्टी के लोग धरना दिए हैं, तो ये किससे मांग कर रहे हैं? भगवान से मांग कर रहे हैं क्या? ये ऑलमाइटी है। कभी दुनिया के इतिहास में रूलिंग पार्टी धरने पर नहीं बैठी, लेकिन ये आज धरने पर बैठे। ये किससे मांग कर रहे हैं? ये तो आपसे मांग करना चाहिए, इस सदन से मांग करना चाहिए। ये किसके लिए? भगवान से मांग करने के लिए बैठे थे। ये ऐसा धरना जो आपने दिया है, ये क्यों धरना दिया है? रूलिंग पार्टी ने दुनिया में कभी रूलिंग पार्टी धरने पर बैठी। ये अजीब परंपरा चल रही है, यानी जो रूलिंग पार्टी वो धरने पर बैठ रही है।
Why do you create problem?
जेटली जी किससे मांग कर रहा है? भगवान से मांग कर रहे हैं क्या?
See,
रविशंकर जी
why
भगवान से
treasury benches create problem?
एप्लीकेशन दे रहे क्या? अरे भगवान से मांग कर रहे हो।
Why treasury benches create problem?
धरने पे आप धरने पे मत बैठो, ये ठीक
That I
बात
agree.
नहीं है, धरने पे नहीं बैठना
That I
चाहिए।
agree.
ये तो
I fully agree with you. But why do you create problem?
Time of the house. Members to focus on the discussion.
Chairman sir,
Please listen to LOP. Please listen to LOP. No, one second. See, LOP is there in silence. Please sit down. Listen.
and not allowing the house to function. Is the ruling party. Is the ruling party. It is the ruling party which is becoming the stumbling block. Ruling party.
Please adjourn up to 12:01. Adjourn up to 12:01.
Right, the Rajya Sabha has also been adjourned after disruptions by opposition leaders. The logjam in Parliament is a big focus. The first 3 days of the monsoon session were washed out because of repeated disruptions by the opposition. BJP lawmakers today staged a protest outside Parliament this morning, accusing Congress leaders of disrupting proceedings and appeal to the opposition to allow the House to function. Let's get a word from our Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey, who's with us live this evening. Brijesh, Lok Sabha has been adjourned till Monday. What's happening in the Rajya Sabha? Will it reconvene, or has it also been adjourned till next week? Well, we're going to try and reconnect with Brijesh. We're facing some audio difficulty on that line with him. What we're being told is that the Lok Sabha has been adjourned till Monday, 11 o'clock. For now, the Rajya Sabha has also been adjourned. What we saw this morning was a protest by BJP MPs outside Parliament. They staged a protest accusing Congress MPs of disrupting proceedings and not allowing the House to function. They also appealed to opposition leaders, saying that democracy is being threatened because of their protest. The logjam in Parliament continues. In fact, the first week has ended without the Lok Sabha being able to conduct any business. The Lok Sabha has been adjourned till Monday now. The Rajya Sabha also has failed to do or to conduct any business all of last week. We're still not sure whether the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned for the moment or for the entire day. Brijesh Pandey is now live with us. Brijesh, take us through what happened in Parliament this morning.
Well, the Parliament started with an unusual protest. It was a protest at Gandhi's statue by the BJP leaders. They are protesting against corruption of Congress state chief ministers, and they were saying that 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 there should be a debate on the corruptions of at least 3 to 4 Congress ruled state, and they should be made to resign. The BJP was also very belligerent on the fact that Congress, which asks for resignation of Sushma Swaraj, Vasundhara Raje, and Shivraj Singh Chauhan, should first reply on these tainted chief ministers. So it's very clear that the BJP is adopting a pretty belligerent strategy as far as this monsoon session of Parliament is concerned. And as the day began in the Lok Sabha, as predicted, it led to a huge uproar and protest by the opposition members, which led to Speaker adjourning the Lok Sabha till Monday morning. So the ruckus and the stalemate at Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha continues between the BJP as well as the opposition. Simi?
Right, Brijesh, you're saying the stalemate continues. The Congress basically looking at turning the tables on the Congress party, hitting out at Harish Singh Rawat. What is the charge that they've levelled against the Chief Minister of Kerala?
Well, they are saying that that there is a liquor lobby case which was going against Chief Minister of Kerala, and they are saying that that there should be a thorough investigation, and if issue of Vasundhara Raje and as well as Shivraj Singh, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan is discussed in Parliament, then issue of corruption against all these Chief Ministers, be it Uttarakhand or Assam or Himachal or Kerala, they should also be discussed inside the Parliament, and this has led to a standoff between the two parties. There are back channel talks which are going on, and one of the other strategy of the BJP is making a serious attempt to isolate Congress within the with other opposition parties, a strategy which they have successfully used against it in the during the last session of Lok Sabha. So they are making an attempt to do that, and what I have been told is that the BJP leadership is hopeful that by Tuesday they might be able to arrive at some sort of consensus.
Right, Vijay, stay on with us. Let's also get a word from our executive editor Javed Ansari, who's with us live from our newsroom this morning. Javed Ansari, I want to know if the Speaker has called any meeting between leaders of the opposition and the government to try and come up with a middle path so some business can actually take place in Parliament, because otherwise this entire session will be washed out.
Well, as of now, there is no formal meeting slated. Of course, like Brijesh was saying, back channel contacts were on. Yesterday, the leader of the House in the Rajya Sabha took the initiative and invited leaders from all the opposition parties, floor leaders, to come to his office and for them to negotiate and try and find a way out. Unfortunately, because of what had happened yesterday in the Lok Sabha, the opposition parties decided to stay away. Hopefully, over the weekend, given the fact that for the next 3 days, 2.5 days, Parliament will be shut, MPs will have time to reassess their strategies. Frayed tempers will cool down, and perhaps when MPs reassemble on Monday, better sense will prevail.
Right, and Javed Ansari, what we're seeing is quite unique here, because never before have we seen MPs of the ruling parties staging a protest outside Parliament. They were holding placards demanding the resignation of Congress chief ministers.
Yes, that's a bit strange, but you know, in politics, especially now the way Parliament and legislators are functioning, every day some new precedent is being set. It's unfortunate, but nonetheless, both sides appear right now to be, standing toe to toe. But hopefully, over the weekend, tempers will cool down. MPs and leaders or floor leaders of political parties will have had time to reflect, and the back channel contacts that are on, their efforts will hopefully bear fruition. We are being told, I mean, there's nothing concrete as yet, that we are being told that perhaps sometime in the middle of next week, Parliament should resume functioning.
All right, Brijesh Pandey and Javed Ansari telling us that some sort of back channel talks are currently underway. Brijesh, even as those talks continue, we do see a hike in rhetoric, especially Rahul Gandhi launching that attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday, saying that his credibility has now hit rock bottom.
Well, yes, because both sides have dug in their heels, and both sides are realizing that this is an attempt to kind of overturn the other person. For the Congress, it's a unique opportunity to embarrass the government. And if you look at last 1 month of politics, Simi, which is being played out in the national capital, the Congress has been extremely belligerent, holding 3 press conferences a day, and everybody knew that this newfound aggressive bravado will also spill over the Parliament session, and we were not disappointed by the Congress, because it's a very godsend opportunity for them to embarrass the BJP. But meanwhile, the BJP also thought that instead of listening into the barbs and the protest made by the Congress, this time they decided that the counter offensive is going to be the best form of defense as far as the BJP is concerned. And this is why, Simi, if you notice, ever since right from the word go, BJP has been extremely belligerent. They are attacking Congress with scam versus scam kind of politics which is being played out during this monsoon session of Parliament. BJP going all great guns. A CD was launched by an NGO, and later on the same CD was used by the BJP to hold a press conference. And after that, we have seen in the last 2 days at least 5 ministers of Narendra Modi government and hold press conference at the central headquarters of BJP. So this shows that the kind of level of planning which has gone behind the BJP aggressive stand, and they are saying that until and unless Congress agrees to their demand of debate in the Parliament, there is no way they will listen or accede to any demand which is being made by Congress.
What we're basically seeing, Brijesh, is that both sides, as you rightly pointed out, have dug their heels in. It's literally a battle of scams. Javed Ansari, I want to find out the Congress's defense as far as Shivraj Singh Chauhan is concerned is that the CBI has already, a CBI inquiry has already been ordered in the Vyapam scandal. What is the government's defense as far as Sushma Swaraj and Vasundhara Raje are concerned?
Look, in fact, if the government is to be believed, they haven't violated any rule, and Mr. Arun Jaitley has been challenging the opposition, especially when it comes to the case against Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj, saying, tell me cite one rule which has been violated by the minister. So right now, political parties are brazening it out, but it's not uncommon. What usually happens in situations like this, that initially people adopt maximalist positions, and over time, then both sides retrace their steps and there is a settlement where both sides come to a compromise. Like I was saying earlier, perhaps something might emerge sometime in the middle of the next week. But till then, the bedlam continues in Parliament.